Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Pruitt, and I'm doing a short, sweet, quick little video because I got a bunch of products in from the folks at Movo. I don't remember requesting anything, but I appreciate them sending them over. So I figured I will at least do a quick first look and give them a shout out for sending me this nice little bit of kit. And it's focused more on mobile photography, mobile videography, which means not only using your DSLR or mirrorless camera, but also utilizing your smartphone. So let's go ahead and jump right in and check out a couple of products here. So first up, we have the little grip here. This is the Movo PR1. I will put links in the description below this video, affiliate links, of course. But this is the Movo PR1 smartphone grip. Now, you've seen a previous video from me where I use the Studio Neat glyph. And this is essentially the same thing. The glyph comes with this little ratchet on the back, you know, so when you want to pop that off like that, then this slides up, it's spring loaded, and you can stick your smartphone in there. And then you have some 1/4 threads right there on the bottom and on the back, so you can mount some extra things to it. This Movo PR1 is essentially the same thing, but it doesn't have a ratcheting mechanism on the back to close the clamp down. The clamp is controlled by doing this little screw top right here. So you can loosen it that way or tighten it the other way and just sort of make it fit for your smartphone. I do like the fact that it has a nice little leveling bubble on there, just in case you want to mount it somewhere on a little tripod and make sure that your composition has a nice level horizon line. So I like that. That's a nice feature. Has a 1/4 threads on the back side and on the top, which will come in handy as we look at another piece of kit that comes with this. Well, it doesn't come with this, but it's just what was sent to me. I believe you can get this for 25 bucks over on Amazon.com. I'll put a link again at the bottom of this video, affiliate link. Pretty good value for 25 bucks. I think I paid 30 bucks for this, and it doesn't even come with a grip. This is just a tripod mount plate that I stuck on the bottom of it, you know, for when I want to use my Manfrotto tripod or anything like that. So this is the Studio Neat glyph for 29, 30 bucks. I think this was 30 bucks. But this is the Movo version for 25, and it actually comes with the grip and a little wrist strap on there to help you with securing your rig. So not bad. So now, again, let's go on to the next part. Like I said, we had these little extra 1/4 threads on it that will allow you to do a little bit of extra mounting for stuff like this. Now, this is their microphone. This is their cardioid shotgun mic. This is the Movo VXR10, VXR10. And it comes with this little dead cat wind muff, to help fight off when you film it in high wind conditions. I haven't tested this out, but what it does remind me a lot of one of my microphones that I'm using pretty much regularly. This is the Rode version, shotgun mic. This is the Rode Video Micro. And what I like about this one is pretty much the same thing I like about this one from Movo. There's no batteries required. There's no switches on it. You just plug in your applicable cord, plug it into your camera or plug it into your smartphone, and it powers right up. So you don't have to worry about batteries dying. You don't have to worry about making sure a power switch is turned on. Just plug it up and it's already set to go. The beauty of it is it came with a couple of different mounts. So you can put it on the top of your DSLR. You can put it on here if you got an extra little 1/4 screw that you can stick in here. You can mount it on here if you need to. And then it comes with the additional cables, because you got to have a TRS cable to put this into your camera. But if you want to use it on a smartphone, you have to have what's called a TRRS cable. These are not the same. See, if you look here at the tips, one tip has 2 lines and one tip has 3 lines. So you're going to get different performance because one's for the smartphone and one's for a DSLR. This one is actually for the smartphone. It's got the 3 lines, and it's nice that they put a little sticker on there to let you know Use this one if you're gonna plug the mic into a smartphone. Very, very nice touch. This one, the mic goes for 40 bucks. I think I paid a little bit more for the Rode version. I can't remember off the top of my head, but again, 40 bucks. Sounds like this could be a good quality mic. I don't know, I haven't tested it out or anything, but I guarantee it's gonna be a lot better than the microphones that are already built into your camera, as well as built into your smartphone. So that's the Movo it's the Movo VXR10. That's such a funky name, VXR10 microphone. It comes with extra mounts, comes with the wind muff, and it comes with extra cabling. Now, lastly, this tripod. This is the Movo MV-T1 tripod. And the beauty of this, it is a mini tripod. You can take this off and mount your camera to this like as is with that 1/4 thread, or you can use the ball head that comes with it. It has this little ball head right here and mount it on that way. Or if you need an extra bit of extension, you can use this little extension tube, mount it to there. You can even unscrew part of this to make it raise up a little bit more, allegedly, if I can figure out how to do it. There, you just unscrew that, because that's on really, really tight. So now you get an extra 4 inches or so in the tripod height. And it's a mini tripod, so you don't expect it to be too tall, but every now and then you may need an extra couple inches or so, and this looks like this has that covered. You can use this with a smartphone. You can use this with a mirrorless camera. You can use this with some DSLRs. I even use this with, like this is my Rebel. It will totally hold the Rebel. It will actually hold my Canon 6D Mark II without a problem. The problem that comes in with it from a weight capacity standpoint is if you're going to use heavier lenses, like this telephoto lens there, it can get a little top heavy. It'll still hold it, but you can't let the center of gravity change too much. So make sure that if you're going to use a telephoto lens or a heavier lens, mount it and make sure your camera is lined up to where it tilts back just a touch, because if it starts to tilt forward a little bit, the tripod will tumble over and not support your camera. Now this tripod will cost you 40 bucks on Amazon. Not a bad price. From the feel of it, this feels fine. I like that the legs on it have a little bit of tension. They're not all cheap and flimsy. It's a little bit of plastic, a little bit of metal mixed in with it. This is pretty much the same way, a little bit of a composite and metal mixed in together. And the ball head has the tension wheel on it, just like any other ball head, where you get full degrees of motion and so forth. And looks quite nicely. 1/4 thread, pretty typical. So all of that for 40 bucks. Now this whole little bit of kit that I got from Movo, this is a nice value. You're going to be spending right at 100 bucks and you get everything you need for mobile videography, mobile photography, whether you're using your smartphone or whether you're using a mirrorless or DSLR camera or even a point and shoot. Looks like they got you covered. All right, so that's it. That's just a little quick first look. I don't know if I'll do a full review of this stuff. I can't say I had the time right now, but I did want to give a shout out to Movo for sending this over to me. Wasn't expecting it. I didn't pay for it, but thank you for thinking of little old Aunt Pruitt and sending this on over to me. All right, check the links below if you want to take a closer look and see if you want to buy them, and use the affiliate links that will actually help support me and the channel. I appreciate that very much. And go ahead, create and dominate. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Deuces.